Hello everyone, welcome to Tech TPLM, a place where you can master programming. Before moving forward to the lesson, I want to remind you that if you like the video lesson, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get notifications when new videos are uploaded. So you will never miss a lesson. I will show a short demonstration about how to subscribe to our channel at the end of this video. Keep watching the lesson. Okay guys, today's video we are going to discuss about how to give background color for your browser window. So here you can see I have an HTML file called languages.html, and this file is having a heading and one paragraph below that heading, and there is a small heading which is h2, and below that there is another paragraph, and I made 2 line breaks. So you're all familiar with these tags, I know already, because we already discussed about this in the previous lessons. Now when I look at my browser, you can see this browser is having the heading which is in black color, and paragraphs are there, and the h2 also there, and the paragraph is there below, same like we give in the source code, right? Okay, so now the browser window background is pure white. Okay, so this is really important to give some styles to our HTML document or our web page, because consider yourself, these kind of website, how much time you will spend. There is nothing exciting, there is only black and white letters and a white background. So it's really important to keep the user in your website, displaying him different types of colors and making the things beautiful and all those things. As a beginning, we are going to give background color for the browser window today, and after that we will learn more about styling the document. Okay, I'm going to switch to the code window. So this is a code window, right? So here you can see body starts from here, right? So inside the body tag, you can have something called argument. So now you might be thinking, what is an argument, right? Arguments are additional codes added inside the tag. Inside the tag means, so this is a body tag. So if you want to have an argument, you can add inside this. Okay, so you have to add the argument inside the opening tag of the element. Okay, so if you want to do something which, if you want to add some arguments for heading, you have to add inside the h1 tag. So here arguments are additional codes which is added inside the opening tag of the element that will change the look or behavior of that element. Okay, so today we are going to start learning about a very important argument called style argument. Style arguments are having different properties. When you give values to these properties, it's going to change something in your browser window. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. So our plan is to change the color of the background of the browser window. So you people already know that background of the browser window, that means this area is the body, right? Okay, so I'm going to add the style argument inside the body tag. So I'm saying style, okay, then I put equal symbol, and inside the double quotes I have to write the style, right? So I have getting something wrong. Okay, so inside the style argument I have to specify the property. The property I'm going to use is like background minus color. Okay, background minus color. So when you give background minus color, it automatically gives you the color suggestions. This is the benefit of using the IDE, we already know that. So then you choose the color, or you can directly write the color name there. So I'm choosing Bollywood. Okay, and I have to put a semicolon. Okay, so we have added a style argument, and the property we are going to set for the style argument is a background color, and the value for that property we set is Bollywood. Okay, so let's save this. I hit Ctrl S and I go back to the browser, and once I refresh this one, you can see my browser window background is changed. This was the purpose of our video. I hope you understand. But the background color is not only for the body. The background color, you can use it with any elements. For example, suppose this is a very important paragraph, you want to catch the attention of the user. So the best way is to show him some colors, right? So inside the P also you can write what? Style, then you say like background minus color. I'm gonna choose like something cornflower blue, okay, and a semicolon. Then once I file save, and when I went back to the browser window and refresh, you can see the background color of the paragraph is changed to the color you specified. Okay, so simply we were saying like how to give background color for the browser window background. So we have learned, like we have understood that background color not only used by browser background window, you can use it for any element. So you will write it like style and you say background minus color and the color you want. And another benefit of using IDE is like you can see the color button here. When you point to the color button, it will show the color name and the sample of this color here. How does it look like in the browser? Okay, so hope you understand the lesson. And one more thing I have to tell you is like this is called CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. We will be having a big playlist tutorial for the CSS later on, but in order to enhance our website in a beautiful way, I'm introducing a little bit of CSS from in this class itself, HTML class itself. Okay, so in the next video we will be discussing about how we can give a text color for the tag output. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you understand the lesson, comment below this video. That makes me understand whatever I pass it reach you safely. Thank you so much. Bye. How to subscribe to our channel? Step 1. Click on the channel icon or view channel option to go to the channel page. Step 2. Click on the subscribe button. Step 3. Enable the bell icon to get notified when new lessons are uploaded. Congratulations, you are now subscribed and never going to miss any lesson. Thank you.